Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do this low band hairstyle. So let's just go and get started. I'm gonna brush my hair without any tangles and knots, and I'm gonna bring all my hair in a low ponytail. So I'm gonna take a hair tie and just tie it to create a ponytail, and I'm gonna just pull halfway to create that little bun, and then with the rest of my hair I'm gonna do rope braid. So I'm gonna split the hair and try to twist it over each other to create a rope braid. And then at the end I'm gonna just try to pull the sides out to make it a little messy. So I'm gonna pull the sides like that, and I'm gonna just keep on doing it until it's very messy. And now I'm gonna take that and wrap around that mini bun, and I'm gonna take hairpins and pin that in place. So I'm gonna take a couple more bobby pins to secure everything in place. This is how the bun looks like. Now I'm gonna take a hairband and just put it on. So this is the final result. This is how the hairstyle looks like. Really simple and easy. I hope you like this hairstyle. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more bun hairstyles, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye everyone, and please subscribe to my channel and follow on my Instagram.